Hello kids! Today we will learn color name, English alphabet, shape names and counting numbers. At first, say with me color name blue, red, light blue, orange, pink, light green, yellow. Say with me A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for green. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for juice. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nurse. O. O is for orange. F. F is for thunder. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rainbow. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yo-yo. G. G is for zebra. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10. Say with me shape name circle. Again say with me circle. Say with me shape name square. Again say with me square. Say with me shape name rectangle. Again say with me rectangle. Say with me shape name triangle. Again say with me triangle. Say with me shape name oval. Again say with me oval. Say with me shape name heart. Again say with me heart. Subscribe for more video.